Let's continue adjusting the styles here to get what we want. So this box here doesn't have any padding. If we look at our mockup, we have a padding of, let's do a quick measurement, around 22 pixels. And that goes all the way around. So let's add that in. I'll go back to this section and let's add some padding of 22 pixels. Okay, and when we did that, it changed the size of the box. That's because we're using the default box sizing. So what we want to do is change the box sizing to include the padding with the width and the height. So let's change the box sizing property to border box. Now, when we did that, it changed the position of our icon. That's because the icon is being affected by the padding now. So let's adjust the position there. So now it's going to be around 40 pixels to center it. And the margin top needs to be a little bit bigger. We'll adjust that until we get something that looks about centered. Okay, and I think we need a little bit more space between the icon and the title here. If we look at the mockup, we do have more space right here. And we also have less space between the heading and the text below it. So let's play with the margin on this heading. I'll inspect the element and let's adjust its margin on the bottom. Let's give it 10 pixels for now. And let's adjust the margin on the top. Let's set it to 30 pixels. Okay, that bumped it down a little bit. Let's try 35, maybe 40. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, so this is pretty close. Now, just in case it seems a little weird, the reason why we had to add more margin to the top is because, as you can see up here, the icon is out of the flow of the content, so it's not impacting the margin of this heading at all. So we're not setting the margin between the heading and the icon. Instead, we're setting the margin between the heading and the innermost edge of the padding. Okay, I feel like there's a couple pixels here that could be adjusted. So I'm gonna bump up the margin here to 42, and that looks a little bit better to me.